Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today we're going to start to fertilize our trees. I believe it. We're going toward the spring. That's the time to fertilize. You can fertilize citrus, fruit trees, roses, anything. The reason I'm doing now, because plants we got pretty soon is going to be spring, and the plants they need the food because they're going to shoot the leaves, and then the fruit will come later on. They need the food there. So what I do, this is a big tree. I took it out to some people when they plant something, they fertilize it just around the trunk, very close. The big trees, whatever the roots they wire from, because they're looking for food. So don't go close to the trunk. Here I got organic fertilizer pellets. Now, size a tree like this, I probably have a dozen, a handful or more. But like I said, don't fertilize closer to the wire from, just like that. I'm doing a rough meter from the trunk, wire here, so that's where the roots are, all the way around. Talking about a big tree. Anything small, you go a bit close. I don't want to dig it in because it's a lot of hard work. And with the wind, when you be rain, it'll go in. It's a slow release of fertilizer. It will go into the root system, and it'll work really good. Okay, this is a plum tree. Same thing. Don't fertilize just around the trunk. Go out there wide. That's enough. And that's it. If I was young, I would dig it in, but I don't want. I'm too old. Sure it's going to rain, but if not, I house it just there just to give a bit of a sprinkle. I'm sure it'll rain. Now you can do the roses too. Again, don't go just around the trunk like that. I've seen people, over the years, that's what they do when they plant something younger plant or rose or whatever it is. Because the roots, they're looking for food further. So just to be here, be rough for me to work from the trunk. If you want to be really fussy, they have food for roses and food for cedars and a different type of fertilizer. I don't worry about that. And I get good result. Okay, this is a stand rose, very young, just planted this year. Now, again, even if it's young, just to go be there, 450 up for me to wipe from. That's it. Here, see, we got patch with lots of roses, very close. Just anyway, they sort of connect to one another. Just go like that. And it's a time to do all garden too now if you want. Do a lot. Any type of plants, it's time to fertilize. Roses, like I fertilize now, depends the soil condition again, how well they grow. Middle summer, you can give just a little bit more. Fruit trees, yeah. Fruit trees, when the fruit is, probably the size of 20 cents, you can put another bit more fertilizer. All done.